Hello and welcome to the channel. There are two very important things that need to be done after you go four-wheeling, especially in a dusty area like we did. Number one is change or clean your air filter for the engine, and number two is to change the air filter for your cabin. Both of those get really nasty and really clogged, and one helps your engine breathe, the other one helps you breathe. So follow along as I change mine. All right, my air cabin filter is pretty simple to pull out. Just take off the bottom glove box, and then it's right here. Take the cover off, and then we'll pull the filter out. That's nasty. As you can see, the dust comes right off of it, and this was brand new just before we went. See how nice and dirty that, full of dust that is? So we're gonna replace that. I have a replacement here, picked up from Amazon, and we'll get right to it. Okay, now we're going to replace our filter. Okay, we're going to put it in with the arrows facing down. You want the dirty air coming from the outside to go through the filter into the blower, then to the cabin. There we go. Now we're going to take our cover. It kind of slides in from the left, so you put it up against the hole. Tough to do this with one hand. And slide it to the right. Alright, I'm going to put you guys down for a second so I can do this. There you go. So our cover's back in place. Very good. Now we just gonna place the glove box back in place. Bring it forward and snap it, and she's all done. Excellent. All right, my air filter has three 10mm sockets, and then I have to pull this box off to replace the air filter. So I'm gonna get that done now. All right, let's see. Take my little power module out of the way. Get this cable out of the way. Woo! A little bit of dust on here. All right. Of course, that's a different size. Not completely remove them, just get them loose. One. 2. 2. Three. Now lift. I guess we should take this off. Oh man, there's dust here. Didn't loose it enough. Okay, a little bit more. Alright. Let's take this off just for ease. Alright. Probably hose that off. Alright, this is a K&N filter. It's pretty dusty. You don't have to use a K&N. That's personal preference. If you're not using a K&N, then factory recommended one is what you should get. In either case, I'm going to clean this up and then put it back in. Okay. Apply cleaner liberally, both sides. All right, let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and allow that to dry in the sun before I put it back in. Meanwhile, I'm going to wipe around the air box and down the intake to get any excess dust out of there and prevent it from piling up in my engine. All right, everything's dry, been sitting in the sun for a little bit, so now we're just going to put everything back in the reverse order. All right, almost done. Now, the last thing I want to do is give the engine a little rinse, just to get all the dust off, and we're done. All right, that's it. Remember, after every time you go out there in a dusty condition, you should definitely service your air filters, because my diesel truck, I definitely noticed that it started getting a little less responsive as the filter got clogged. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, thank you very much for watching GP Overlanding.
Dirty.